I think this is Sangameshwar. If there is a small bridge and we are crossing, na, then this is Sangameshwar. Yep, this is Sangameshwar. Yeah, straight. This is Sangameshwar. We have to go from yeah. So this will be the little bit bad stretch what I was talking about. Okay. Yeah. You will find we are going into the off-road. Correct. Yeah, now look at this guy. He's on the phone and look at the off-roading that is coming now. Huh? That dude. अरे dude. तेल का ऑमलेट. Okay, where you want to wait? I think it will get over there in the front. We can wait. Let's see in the front. I don't know. Little bit ahead of it. Come. No. You take your picture. These were the bad roads that I was talking about, no? And in rainy season, this becomes very slippery, so it becomes a little difficult. Yeah, it becomes difficult. Tires slip. There's a big hole over in the left, just take care. God, look at that guy, yaar. Vision coming up. Bad one, huh? Come very cautiously. This one is a bad one. The work is going on, as well as water is on this. So high possibility that it will be slippery, okay? Just take care while coming and come to the extreme left, with me. It's going to be a little bit shaky, so you have to be careful. The tires will shake. Just maintain one here. Yeah, it will be a little bit hard. And then try to get on the red mud soil on the left, dry soil. There's a bus coming. Okay. Use dry this over here so that you can this. Yeah. Okay. Just a little bit more. Rush through, we can easily go slowly as possible. For the car it won't make much of a difference, but for us it will definitely make a difference. Yeah, I know. Overtaking. Car is coming, be careful. Okay, this is the one that we have to take, okay? Follow me. Now we can, if you want, we can go to a restaurant, or you want to just continue? Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. So this is the road that we'll have to take. If we would have gone straight, that NH66, we would have ended up going to Hathkhamba. The only thing with this road is that it is a narrow road. Okay, so and four-wheelers and all will be coming over here, so you have to be very careful. Okay, so the only thing that Google definitely shows you this particular road, and yeah, this is the river crossing. You can just simply just take it that way. Yeah. Road is more like your ghat type road, okay? So yeah, you just have to be vigilant. Me and Natasha had come in the night over here from here. It was damn scary. But the road is good. The road is good. Like little bit patches here and there you will find, but the road is good. Slow down. We are on a climb now. bad patch and a car coming, so be careful. Is it possible for you to stop the music? Yeah, 1 minute. I just... No. Yeah, this is fine. You can wait over here. So basically Google also suggests this only road. Okay, so you don't have to like manually adjust anything as such. Just what happens is it is situated at such a curve now that you tend to miss it, and the reason why you miss it is because that patch looks very off-roading type. And then if you go the diversion that we took, it was a little off-roading patch. I told you it was like 1 minute or 2 minute just 1 minute off-roading it is, and then you come to that road. So it's very easily what you call that, you miss it very easily. And what happens if you miss it now? Then when the map redirects, it takes you from that side. And then when you come back, it takes you from it goes via Hathkamba. And then from Hathkamba another left. So that entire stretch is still being made up. Okay, there is a bad road. Just slowly avoid it. There's a speed break. What is stopping that crowd? Acha, he's behind now. Lol. Okay. I didn't realize. Acha, we are getting on top. We have to go on the left, okay? Just hold slowly, yeah? Yes, we are back on NH66.